Hi guys, today we're just doing a super simple encapsulated loose glitter look with this like sky blue, super really pretty glitter. Super really pretty. I can't even talk straight, but I love this loose glitter. It's the most beautiful blue color ever. And I am doing it the opposite way to like the Renaissance nails, where I encapsulated it like on top of the nude cover. This one I'm doing an encapsulation and ombreing it with the nude cover, so it's like underneath a little bit. And I'm trying two different ways to encapsulate. The first nail, I put clear acrylic down and then had my brush wet with monomer, dipped it in the loose glitter and patted it down to get like a really dense base, not thick but just dense with glitter. And then I dipped my brush in another bead of clear acrylic and then dipped that straight into the glitter to do my second layer, so it's like mixed into the clear. And then in the middle finger and ring finger, I tried something that I saw another YouTuber do the other day, which was just what I did for that second layer of glitter, which was just dip my brush in the clear acrylic, dip that clear acrylic into the glitter. And you can kind of tell that it doesn't like pack as tight as I want it to. Like I have to go back in with like extra because it didn't pack as densely as I wanted it to. I didn't want it to be see-through. So I gave that another chance on the ring finger, like dipping the brush into the clear acrylic, then clear acrylic into the loose glitter, and then packing that in like you would with like a regular loose glitter that's actually mixed in with the clear acrylic. And I just didn't like the way that looked. It didn't pack as densely as I want it to on the first like thin layer on top of the plastic tip. So on the pinky, you'll be able to see I go back to that original method that I do. And everyone does it different. Like that YouTuber herself said there's a million ways you can encapsulate. And my preferred method is put a layer of clear acrylic by itself down first. Take your wet brush into the loose glitter, pack that in there onto the clear acrylic, just pack it in there. And then dip into another bead of clear acrylic into the glitter to get like another layer that's not as dense as the first one, to pack that in to the little layer you already put on. And then at the end, you'll be able to go in and encapsulate, and everything will be already secure with clear acrylic. You have like 2 layers of that in there already. One underneath glitter and one with glitter mixed in. And then those are the layers you have on with the loose glitter. And then you encapsulate, and it's not going anywhere, I promise you. And it's packed super dense as well. That's just my method, but there are tons of ways. But I wanted to try, since I'm doing all 4 nails encapsulation, I just wanted to try a couple different ways just to kind of explore, you know, try different things. That's the whole point of my channel in a practice hand, is to practice different things. And I wanted the set to look nice anyway, so I wanted the nails to all look the same. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go back to my method that I like because I'm familiar with it. Just get clear acrylic down first and then pack that in just with a wet brush with no more acrylic on it, just the wet brush. And then go in with more acrylic and glitter on the same brush together on top of that layer. And it worked so well. And then encapsulate once I've got my nude cover at the cuticle, ombre that down, and then encapsulate the whole nail. And I think that works super well, super easy. Obviously it's a loose glitter that's like a little bit chunky, but it's not like actual chunks of stuff, like really thick like decal glitter. So you obviously will have to encapsulate each different thing different. This is just how I do regular loose glitter. So I don't have like huge, big, chunky stuff. Obviously you'd probably have to just dip in clear acrylic and that glitter if you have like super thick, chunky glitter with like hearts and stuff like that in it. This is not that. This is just regular loose craft glitter from like Walmart or something like that. And you can put anything in acrylic nails. That's why I love acrylics. But yeah, so I'm just doing the cover at the cuticle now. I'm bringing that down a bit and then encapsulating with clear. Super easy. I'm just gonna go in and file the sides. They're pretty good, so I'm just gonna crispen them up just a little bit and then buff over the top. You don't have to do this step for this set in particular if you're gonna recreate this, because I'm just doing glossy top coat, of course, and gluing some rhinestones on. I'm not doing nail art, so you don't have to buff if you're not doing that. The top coat will kind of fit its way into any ridges or grooves or whatever that you think you might have on the nails. You don't have to buff them totally smooth if you're just doing top coat. If you're doing matte, I think I would, but you don't even really have to do that. But especially glossy, especially a thick one, you do not have to buff the top if you're not planning on doing nail art for like a smooth surface or anything. But just for the sake of not skipping steps and just staying in my like muscle memory, I went ahead and buffed the surface as well. And then I am just gonna do top coat right after that in some crystals. is the finished set, you guys. Another super simple one, but a little more glam and flashy than the last one. You still got your simple rhinestones and a simple encapsulated glitter, but it's a super pretty glitter and it stands out and I love it. I hope you guys like it.